Hello students, our next chapter is US hegemony in world politics. Here are three children stories who have been mentioned, but these stories are not important. But there are three cities have been mentioned. Baghdad, capital. This capital is Iraq, and next Durban, जो city of South Africa, and next is Perth, the city of Australia. Before starting, I want to tell you this chapter. I want to doing it this chapter introduction. US hegemony in world politics. What is hegemony? Hegemony means an international system to dominate world by only one superpower. This time, the end of the Cold War left us the US without any serious rival in the world. On 11 September 2001, 19 hijackers hailing from a number of Arab countries took control of four American commercial aircraft shortly after talk of had and crashed into important buildings in the US. The attack killed about 3,000 people in response. The US launched its invasion of Iraq on 19 March 2003. More than 40 countries joined the US in this operation after the UN and refused to give its mandate to the invasion, and the chapter described political, economic and cultural aspect of US hegemony. It also explained India's policy option in dealing with the US. I already many time I told you World War II time is 1934 to 1945. Two superpowers, Allies and Axis, under of Allies USA, USSR, Britain, France, and Axis under Germany, Japan, Italy. But only two superpowers are there, USA and USSR. But USSR 1991 is disintegrate. Next time USSR are starting from hegemony. So our first topic is this chapter, beginning of the new world order. So this time American refers to the United States of America. It covers two countries, the North America and South America. The US is only one of the countries which is symbol US hegemony. So this time the sudden collapse of the Soviet Union took everyone by surprise. The US hegemony began in 1991 after Soviet power disappeared from the international scheme. Some aspect of US hegemony did not emerge in 1991, but in fact go back to the end of the Second World War in 1945. The US did not start behaving like a hegemonic power right from 1991. It became clear much later that the world was in fact living in a period of hegemony. So first is innovation of Kuwait. In August 19 just starting from first Gulf War, and time is 1980 to 1988, Iraq and Iran war. So first is Operation Desert Shield. In August 1990, Iraq invaded Kuwait, rapidly occupying and finally controlled it. After series of diplomatic attempts failed at covering Iraq to Kuwait its aggression, the United Nations mandated the liberation of Kuwait by force. For the UN, this was a decision after years to deadlock during the Cold War. The US President George Walker Bush hailed the emergence of a new old war. This time 4 lakh people joined us and Saudi Arabia of Kuwait. Next is the Operation Desert Storm. This time is 17 January to 28 February. 6,60,000 troops from 34 countries. So this time the first instance of US hegemony came into observation through Operation Desert Storm by the UN during First Gulf War to defeat Iraqi force from Kuwait. This operation was dominated and won by the US due to the vast technological gap between the US military capability and other states. And this time technological gap to smart bombs, computer war. But US made profit this time. So fast, the US may actually have made a profit from the war. According to many reports, the US received more money from countries like Germany, Japan, and Saudi Arabia than it had spent on the war.